How to share YouTube TV free trial with family. Step number 1, sign up for YouTube TV free trial. Visit the YouTube TV website and click Try it free. Sign up using your Google account. Enter your payment details and start the free trial. Step number 2, set up a family group. After signing up, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Navigate to Settings and select Family Sharing. Click Set up Family Group to begin the process. Step number 3, add family members. Enter the email addresses of up to 5 family members who will join your group. Ensure the family members have Google accounts. Send invites to their emails by clicking Send Invitations. Step number 4, family members accept invitations. Ask your family members to check their email for the invitation. They must click the invitation link and log in with their Google account to accept. Once they accept, they're added to your YouTube TV family group. Step number 5, access shared YouTube TV. Family members can now log into YouTube TV with their own Google accounts. Each member will have their own profile, personalized recommendations, and DVR storage. Step number 6, manage your family group. As the family group manager, you can add or remove members anytime through the family sharing settings.